Welcome back. In this session, we'll learn about the three most important documents used by business analysts: BRD, FRD, and SRS. These documents ensure clear communication between business teams, technical teams, and stakeholders. We will also look at a practical sample contents of each. Sample BRD project overview. This is sample business overview section from BRD. The project is an online food ordering system. The business goal is to increase the online orders by 30%. The current problem is that manual ordering leads to errors and delays. This slide highlights why the project is needed, which is the main purpose of the BRD. Business requirement. This slide shows sample business requirements. These are high-level needs of the business, non-technical requirements. For example, enabling users to place orders online, ensuring restaurants get real-time notifications, and adding digital payments. These requirements define what business wants to achieve. In this slide, we outline the scope of the project. In scope, items include user registration, menu browsing, ordering, and payments. Out of scope items include the delivery app for drivers, success metrics like a 30% increase in orders help measure whether the project is successful. Defining scope clearly avoids misunderstanding later. Now let's see about the FRDs. The FRDs describes what the system should do from a functionality perspective. Here, functional requirements include registration, menu browsing, checkout, and payment gateway integration. These requirements guide developers and testers. This slide shows simple sample use case for the place order workflow. Use cases describe how a user interacts with the system step by step. They help a BA developers and QA teams understand the exact process, flow, system reactions, and customer actions. This slide highlights field level rules and validations. These are very important in FRD documents. The email must be unique, passwords need to meet format rules, and payment must be validated before order confirmation. These details ensure that developers know exactly how the system should behave. These slides move into the SRS document include both functional and technical details. This slide provides a simple system overview. It describes a system as a web and mobile application that uses a three-tier architecture. Technologies mentioned example like React, Node.js, and MySQL. This sets the technical contents for development. In SRS, functional requirements are described in more technical detail than in FRD. This includes API behavior, logging rules, and expected system output. These details help architectures and developers understand how the system should work internally. NFRs are extremely important in an SRS document. This slide shows performance, security, scalability, and availability requirement. For example, pages must load in under 2 seconds, passwords must be encrypted using AES 256, and system must support 50,000 users. NFRs define system quality. This slide lists a sample interference requirement. This include API endpoint, database design and integrations, and third-party vendors like payment gateways and SMS email services. These technical specifications help developers build correct interface between system components. To conclude, BRD explains the business goals and core problems. FRD describes what the system should do functionally. SRS provides deeper technical detail, including NFRs and system architecture. Together, this document ensures complete clarity for both business and technical teams and help deliver successful projects. Thanks for watching.